Hey students, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 3 on percents and decimals. When you want to change a percent to a decimal and a decimal to a percent, it's really super easy. It all has to do with moving a decimal two places in the proper direction. So, if we want to start with a percent and move to a decimal, I need to move the decimal in the percent two places to the left. So in a percent, like 37%, 37 is technically a whole number. We'll call it a whole number. The decimal would be right here behind the 7. So if I want to turn 37% into a decimal, all I need to do is move that decimal over two places to the left, and then the decimal form is 0.37 or 37 hundredths. So the same works even if I have a percent that is less than 1%. The decimal place is already here in between the 0 and the 4. So I would still move it over two places to the left. But now, you notice I have what I call an empty swoop over here. When I finally rewrite my answer as the decimal, I want to make sure I add a 0 in that empty spot, so I don't have any swooshes or swoops here unfilled. So 0.46% becomes 0.0046 as a decimal. Same with percents that are greater than 100%. So I have 157% here. The decimal would fall right here behind the 7 again. I move it over two places and two places only. So as a decimal, I end up with 1.57 as my answer. You only move it two spots. So when we start with a decimal and we want to go back to a percent, I'm still going to move it two places, but now I'm going in the other direction. I'm going to the right. So if I have 0.43 here, or 43 hundredths, starting at the decimal location that is already there, I move it two places to the right. So 0.43 or 43 hundredths ends up being 43%. If I have a decimal with a whole number, same applies. I find where the decimal is. I move it over two places to the right. So my percent is going to be now 639%. And last but not least, when I have a really small number, like I have here with 25 ten-thousandths, I don't do anything different. I grab that decimal. I'm only going to move it over two spots from where it started. So my percent is going to be small as well, 0.25%. Got it? Good. So that's it for turning percents into decimals and decimals into percents. You guys are doing great. Keep up the hard work. Watch this video as many times as you need. Have a good day.